Welcome to Georgeway Math TV.
Alright, so what number is equal to these right here? I see square roots, and I know square root means I'm looking for a number that if I multiply by itself 2 times, I should get a number inside the square root. So square root of 25, what number can I multiply by itself 2 times to give me 25? So 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9. Oh, 5 times 5. So if I multiply 5 by itself twice, I should get 25. So that means square root of 25 is 5. What about 81? If I multiply 9 by itself 2 times, I should get 81. So that means square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 9, 3 times 3 is 9. So that means square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4, if I multiply 2 by itself 2 times, I should get 4. So that means square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 16, if I multiply 4 by itself 2 times, I should get 16. That means square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 100, if I multiply 10 by itself 2 times, I should get 100. So that means square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 64, 8 times 8 is 64. So that means square root of 64. I copy one of them, so I copy 8. Square root of 36, 6 by itself 2 times give me 36. So square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 49, 7 times 7 is 49. So square root of 49 should be 7. Oh, and that's it. So because I've been practicing this a lot, it's really helpful. You know what I mean? I gotta always keep practicing these right here. And I know I'm really gonna get this. Oh, I love perfect squares. Now it's your turn. What I want you to do is I want you to practice these right here. You know, the more you look at the video and keep going over it, you'll be able to know your perfect squares. We know we always have our calculators, but it would be cool if you actually know your perfect squares. So please keep doing it, or keep watching the video. That way you can also really know what perfect squares are, because it's great if you know these without a calculator. Okay.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.